you're not getting entry through PNP program to Canada or through express entry, well, watch this video till the very end. My name is Manoj Mata, father to a naughty boy, husband to a really supporting woman, a hotelier turned educator, now helping individuals get band score in IELTS who wish to go to UK, Canada or Australia. So here are the list of other programs which you can use to enter Canada. And once you enter Canada, after staying for maybe 2 or 3 years, you can comfortably move to one of the prime cities. So let's start. So first program which I would recommend is Quebec Skill Worker Program. Although weather will be a challenge, language can be a barrier, but Quebec is one region where you will need a very low band score. French will be an added advantage, and you can enter Canada on a PR. Only you would need to apply in this program. The second one being AIPP, which is Antarctic Immigration Pilot Project, which is a very new program started by Canada. So if you want a very quick PR, especially if you're a student and you are looking for a quick PR, then you can go to this place. Although it is not densely populated area, and the weather is in extreme condition during winters. However, once you enter there, spend some time, you can move to the main city easily. It will not be a challenge because you will have the Canadian PR much faster than anyone else. Caregiver program. So third one is caregiver program. So if you are a caregiver and if you can take care of old age people, if you can handle people who are not well in any of the old age home or any other similar environment, you can easily get to Canada. Only if you do not care about any particular, if you are not very concerned about certain skill sets or work, then this program is for anyone who wish to go there as a care worker. Fourth being the one of the very important project which is for healthcare workers. So if you're a doctor, if you're a nurse, and if you're and related to any other healthcare industry, then you are in demand. Yes, you are in demand in Canada and you can easily apply. There will be certain requisites. You might have to do an OET, but you will be able to get a Canada PR much faster. One being agro project. So in agro project, if you apply under that, you can easily apply as a farmer. If you have skill sets about farming, to grow farming, to help people over their farm, well then this program is for you. And another one I would say startup visa. So in case you have a startup, you want to start it in Canada instead of India, then you can use this plan. You'll have to do certain amount of investment. Another being through family sponsorship. So if you have any family member who can help you get there through sponsorship, that will be a fast means to enter Canada. More programs which are for working people. So there is rural and northern immigration program. So small communities in Canada are now using immigration as a way to develop their economy. So they are in need of certain skill sets. So if you have certain skill sets required, or you can meet those skill sets, then you can enter Canada, you can get PR, you can get invited by those communities, you can get sponsored by those communities to enter Canada. So here are some list of some other ways which I am happy to share with you to move to Canada. So now start planning pretty.